Reemerging infections. International travel has created a new obstacle for the local eradication of diseases. Some diseases thought to be under control, such as TB, measles, monkeypox, polio, and pertussis, have reemerged. Reemerging diseases are diseases that reappear after they have been on a significant decline. Reemergence may happen because of a breakdown in public health measures for diseases that were once under control. Failure to immunize and the introduction of new strains of known disease-causing organisms can be a factor. A parent does not want their child to have any extra immunizations for diseases that no longer occur. What teaching about immunization should the nurse provide this mother? A. There is currently no need for those older vaccines. B. There is a reemergence of some of the infections, such as pertussis, monkeypox, and polio. C. There is no longer an immunization available for some of those diseases. D. The only way to protect your child is to have the federally required vaccines. The answer is B. There is a reemergence of some of the infections, such as pertussis, monkeypox, and polio. Teaching the parent that some of the diseases are reemerging and the damage they can do to her child gives the mother the information to make an informed decision. The immunizations still exist and do protect individuals. If this content was helpful, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Share with someone that might find this useful. Happy studying!